So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure ABCDE is a regular pentagon and AP is the angle bisector of angle BAE. This angle BAE. So this AP line is the angle bisector of the angle BAE and CQ is the angle bisector of angle BCD. So BCD. So this line is the angle bisector of this angle and this line AP is the angle bisector of this angle. So we have to find the ratio of the X length to Y length to Z length. So this length to this length to this length we have to find the ratio. So now let's start how we can solve this problem. So first of all, we know that this is a regular pentagon. So this is a regular pentagon, which means the all sides are equal and every angle is 108 degree. So this is the meaning of this. So meaning this angle, this angle is 108 degree. So the AP is the angle bisector. So AP is the angle bisector of the angle BAE. So now if it is the angle bisector, now this angle will become half of that. So this angle will become like angle PAB become 54 degree, half of 108. And we know that this is the angle bisector and these two lines length are equal, like AB is equal to AE because it is the regular pentagon, so both lengths are equal. And if we make angle bisector, so this angle is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degree. So now we know this angle and this angle. So we can find out this angle. So we can find out this angle like in this way. So angle PBA is equal to, we know that all angle sum is 180 degree minus 54 degree plus 90 degree. So this angle will come like 36 degree. So this angle is 36 degree. The angle PB and A. So now we know this angle. Now let's assume this AB length is U. So AB length is U. So we know that the sine 54 is equal to, in this triangle, like in the triangle APB, we can apply sine 54 like this length divided by this length. So this is X divided by U. So from here we can find the value of X is equal to U times sine 54. So this is U times sine 54 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of X. So now we find out the value of X. Next we find out the value of Y. Then we find out the value of Z. And in the last we take the ratio of all the three to get the solution. So now let's move to the how we can find the value of Y. So you take this triangle B, C and Q. So we know that this is the angle bisector, like this line CQ is the angle bisector of this. So we know that this angle is 108 divided by 2. So this angle is 54 degree, we know. And we know that this whole angle is also 108. And in the previous calculation we find out this angle, like this angle is 36. So we can remove 108 minus 36 and remaining is 72. So remaining 72 is this angle, this angle. So now we know that this is 54 and this is 70, this is 72. So now we can find out the value of this angle. So we can now find out the value of this angle is 180 minus 50, no, like 72 plus 54. So this calculation will come 54. So this angle, like this angle, angle BQC is equal to 54 degree. Now this like this angle is 54 and this angle here is also 54. So now these both angles are equal. So what is the meaning of this? So meaning of this is the this length, like BC length, is equal to the BQ length. Because both are equal, so the length is also equal. So this whole length BQ and this BC length is equal. So like this length is equal to this length, because this is 54 and this is also 54. So initially we assume that the AB is equal to U. So in the pentagon, all sides are equal, like AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EA. So this value is also U. So which means BC and BQ both value is equal to U. Now we know that this length is equal to U, like BQ is equal to U, and it is also equal to the X plus Y. You can see like X this length and Y this length. So if you sum both of these, it is equal to U. Now we know that X is equal to U times root of 5 plus 1 by 4. So what is the value of Y? Y is equal to U minus U times root of 5 plus 1 by 4. So it is equal to the 3 minus root of 5 by 4 times U. So this is equal to this. Now we got the value of Y. Now let's move to the find out the value of Z. Now we know that like this AB is equal to AE and this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say that the length PB is equal to PE. Like this length from here to here is equal to this length. We say that PB is equal to PE. Now if PB is equal to PE, then we can write X is equal to Y plus Z. Now we know that the value of X, we know the value of Y, we can find out the value of Z. So what is the value of Z? It is equal to the X minus Y. So it is U times root of 5 plus 1 by 4 minus U times 3 minus root of 5 by 4. So if you calculate this, it will come like U by 4 times here 2 root 5 minus 2. So it will become this. So you can now take the ratio, like here X ratio, Y ratio, Z you can take. So it is like U times root of 5 plus 1 by 4, 2, 3 minus root of 5 U by 4, and 2 root 5 minus 2 U by 4. So this is the ratio. So in this way you can solve this problem. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.